Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Knee and Shoulder, and I am here today with Joyce. And Joyce just finished up her non-surgical procedures in the office. She's been here for about a month right now. And she was kind enough to come on and just talk about her experiences in the office and outside the office. So Joyce, could you just tell everybody mainly the reason where you were at when you first came in? And then your experience like that first, you can even talk about the first, when we did the procedure on you, and then how things improved afterwards.
Well, let me tell you, when I first came here, my first visit, I was terrible. I couldn't bend down, I couldn't sit very long without having to grab things to get myself up and everything. I was in excruciating pain. And I came in for my treatment that first day, and let me tell you something, I walked out of here a miracle. I could squat, I could sit up straight, I could get off the bench without holding on. It was absolutely phenomenal. And I mean, my 11-year-old grandson has even seen the difference in me, and he's telling me, Grammy, oh, you're doing so good, look at all you're doing. And I'm telling you, it's absolutely phenomenal. I love this guy and I love these girls. They helped me out so much. I've got a lot of my life back, and thanks to them. And that's what I gotta say.
Thank you very much.
You're
Joyce.
welcome.
We're really happy for
Oh,
you.
me too. Anyhow, that's okay.